Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel. And Valerie, let's start off with the most actively traded stock in the pre-market. It is Tesla to the downside. Does it feel like Wall Street confidence is shaking in the EV maker? Not to put you on the spot.
Maybe a little bit. We are seeing some downgrades to the stock, which has caused it under pressure in pre-market trade. It's down 2.8% so far in pre-market. That's Tesla, ticker TSLA. The most recent update was from Baird being cut to neutral. This analyst noting that the recent share rally followed what was a fundamentally poor quarter for the EV maker. Baird saying that Musk's comments regarding the robotaxi ramp-up rate are also a bit too optimistic. The analyst also noting that Musk's ties with President Trump have also added a considerable amount of uncertainty. Their price target has been set to $320 a share, implies only an 8% increase from the last close. Tesla was also cut at the Argus research firm, cut to a hold from a buy. So it has had a multiple analysts downgrade their estimates.
Okay, now I see you've got drone stocks on your radar as well. Tell us why.
Yeah, this one's interesting. Drone stocks jumping this morning on Trump's executive orders that he signed on Friday. Joby Aviation up near 10%. That's ticker JOBY. Archer Aviation 9.8%. That's ticker ACHR. And Vertical Aerospace, I like that name, up some 8% EVTL. They're all rising due to President Trump, who signed an executive order on Friday to bolster U.S. drone capabilities, including strengthening counter-drone tools ahead of major sporting events such as the 2026 FIFA World Cup and the 2028 Summer Olympics. The intention of these three executive orders, according to officials, is to boost U.S. manufacturing and innovation while decreasing the reliance on foreign adversaries such as China, which currently dominates the commercial drone market. So drone stocks given a lift today by President Trump.
Two stocks that are getting a big beating this morning, Robinhood and AppLovin, getting some attention from investors, maybe not so much from whoever rebalances the indexes.
Yeah, that's right. So S&P 500 went through a quarterly rebalancing on Friday, which is normally when they add new membership into the index. They declined to add Robinhood and AppLovin, and those stocks had been speculated that they would be added to the index. We're seeing Robinhood, that's ticker HOOD, down over 5%, and AppLovin, ticker APP, down 4.8%. But this time around, the firm Robinhood, the brokerage firm, it had risen about 13% last week going into this announcement because analysts across the street from Bank of America to Barclays speculated that the company was a top candidate to join the benchmark. So some disappointment for those stocks hoping to make it into the S&P 500.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.